It's been fun, everyone's been great, the team's been great, everyone's been really supportive. It's been very different to what a lot of people would think it would be. It's not just sat at office all day.
I've been here just over a year now, and I would say the biggest thing is that coming into it as a newbie, I never thought I'd achieve in the space of time I have what I have. And I would say part of that is that you get the opportunities for growth.
I didn't really know much about Zurich as a company in the beginning, but my dad had heard about it and he said this is a very big Swiss insurance company. If you get in, it'll be amazing.
The interview process was great as well, you know, it was just very informal, relaxed, it didn't put me under pressure or anything.
Yeah, it's been really, really good, and not the boring office job that some people might expect. Is every day's the new day. I mean, so many challenges and different things you get to do in the day, so yeah, really good decision, best decision I made, I think.
If I were to go to university, I would have the debt on top of my head. I wouldn't have the experience, nor would I be getting paid. So, I mean, this is just all in one bonus, really.
Apprenticeships are great because not only are you studying towards a qualification as you would with a degree, but you're also getting workplace experience.
And having started at 18 straight after school, I would say it's a kickstart in my career, and yeah, I guess it's matured me as an individual a lot faster than I would have if I went to university.
I have a couple of friends at uni as well, and it's a very different life. They're getting a student loan that's barely covering their rent, and we're getting paid to study, and getting very similar levels depending on what degree you like of apprenticeship you do at Zurich. So I definitely recommend it.
We have 4 days of on the job, and then we have 1 day where we can just do our university studies.
So I have the support from the company that we use, and I have a dedicated tutor, and she's really, really good. We have one-to-ones on a regular basis.
I was set up with a buddy within the team who's actually somebody who's been through the apprenticeship scheme previously, so he's been through the same journey that I'll be going through and can sort of guide me in. I've also been assigned an international buddy to help communication between the different offices around the world.
I mean, I've learned a range of things, from sort of getting to know different stakeholders to the ability to communicate, also presenting at board meetings. There's a range of soft skills and technical skills.
I've just had a promotion earlier in the year, just you know, a couple months after finishing my apprenticeship.
It's brilliant. If you're someone that enjoys talking to people, there's definitely that side of it. But also, if you're not someone that's necessarily so social, there is a very large technical aspect of it as well. You don't have to just be focused on the social element of it. Although that is certainly my favourite bit of it, definitely.
I could go up to anybody in the office if I didn't know them and speak to them, and we'd have a friendly chat and conversation.
Supportive.
Sustainable.
Challenging.
Inclusive.
Amazing.
Innovative.
Interesting.
Friendly.
Caring.
Amazing.
Yeah, apprenticeship all the way.